in today's healthcare landscape, how important do you think an online professional presence is for physicians and researchers like you?
Opo. So, running an online clinic is just difficult as running a physical one. Parang, ah, parang kailangan mong maging visible online, palagi para po, um, as a way of, sharing information or promoting public health para po, hindi sila magkamali ng, um, alam. Kasi
Right,
po marami na ngayong, mga kumakalat na fake news.
right. That's so true.
Mm.
Yes. Okay. I just like to make a segue on that.
Opo,
Here at Tatakmo, we help professionals like you
yes.
build credible online presence and connect with patients through digital platforms.
Mm.
Now, from your perspective, what kinds of support or tools do you think make the biggest difference? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Presence Matters, the interview series where we speak with healthcare and wellness professionals about their journey, their practice, and how they build a credible presence in today's digital world. In this episode, I'm joined by Dr. Laika Erica Labsan Ocampo, a physician and licensed nutritionist and dietitian whose passion lies in preventive care. From her beginnings in nutrition at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, to her work as a physician and telemedicine provider, Dr. Laika combines clinical expertise with a deep belief in the principle that food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. We'll talk about her journey from nutrition to medicine, how she integrates lifestyle and diet in managing chronic diseases, the role of AI in advancing clinical research, and the challenges and rewards of running an online clinic through platforms like SiriusMD. Dr. Laika also shares her insights on maintaining trust in telemedicine, the importance of integrity in her work, and her inspiring initiative of offering free online consultations as a way of giving back. Stay tuned. You'll not only hear her professional insights, but also learn how physicians like her are shaping healthcare in the digital age. So, welcome, Dr. Laika, to our interview series. It's called Presence Matters, and I'm interviewing healthcare and wellness professionals like you
Mm.
to understand more about your profession and how you go about with your brand or your online presence.
Yes
Now,
po.
to start, can you share a little bit about your journey into medicine and nutrition? What
Ah,
inspired you to combine these disciplines?
years ago po, I got admitted to UPLB as nutrition, was my first course.
I see.
Opo. Tapos po, I fell in love with my course, though I did not know how to cook. I just love the theory behind it. After graduating, I worked in marketing for the first time, giving a nutrition consultation sa mga supermarket. And I
Nice.
think I felt fulfilled talking to people regarding their nutritional status. Kaya nag-isip ako, what if I think kaya ko pang higitan yung ginagawa ko. So I
Mhm.
decided to study Doctor of Medicine.
Wow.
Mm,
So nutrition was your pre-med and then
op
you went straight on to being a physician. Now, as both a physician and nutritionist, dietitian, how do you see nutrition's role in preventive healthcare and chronic disease management?
okay po. As a promoter of preventive nutrition, kina-counsel ko yung mga patients ko about, benefits of eating healthy and, changing their lifestyle. Yung
Nice.
mga pamilya ko nga din po. ini-encourage kong magbago ng lifestyle. Tapos naniniwala po ako na sa kasabihan na let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Kasi
That's good.
para pong ini-emphasize nung saying na yun yung capability ng food and lifestyle as prevention ng mga sakit na I think
Right.
timely po siya ngayon kasi ang dami ng diet-related na illness.
Yes, that's so true. And with food being artificially engineered na po, ano,
Opo.
it's causing a lot of health-related sicknesses and diseases. Now, you've worked in clinical research leadership roles.
Opo.
What excites you most about the impact of research on patient care today?
Sa tingin ko po, ang biggest trend ngayon gears towards AI. Kasi AI has challenged clinical research from data analysis to patient recruitment. And ang galing na po ng AI um, mag im mag-generate ng studies which is less dangerous and more successful.
That's good.
Opo.
That's a good perception on AI and how it has
Mm.
helped you. No? Now, yeah,
Opo.
go ahead. Go ahead po.
Kaya po yung advice ko sa mga clinicians na interested sa research, utilize technology, learn
Great.
how to use digital tools, especially AI.
Great. Thank you very much for that advice, Dr. Ada.
Opo.
Now, you've delivered care via Sirius MD.
Opo.
What has been your experience maintaining trust and rapport with patients in telemedicine?
Actually po, hindi lang po sa Sirius MD ako may online clinic.
Okay.
Different platforms po.
I
And
see.
my expertise are nutrition, diet and nutrition, and general medicine. And majority of my patients seek nutritional assistance for conditions like weight loss, that diseases from diet related conditions.
What has been your experience maintaining trust and rapport with patients in telemedicine?
From Sirius MD, chine-check ko palagi yung message nila kasi um, hindi pa po nagde-develop yung Sirius MD ng notification from the patient to the doctor.
I see.
Chine-check ko palagi yung message nila. And chine-check ko palagi kung kamusta na sila, kung nagawa na ba nila yung lab request or napili na ba nila yung gamot or nagawa na ba nila yung diet plan ko.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, so that's something that Sirius MD should look at.
Opo.
Adding notifications for
Opo.
users, the doctors, and syempre dapat din yung patients magkaroon din ng notifications.
Opo.
So should work both ways. Thank you very much for that. Now, you've balanced clinical work, research, and compliance roles. How
Opo.
do you manage your time and avoid burnout?
I balance my roles by setting clear priorities,
That's good.
staying organized po, at nire-recognize ko po when to step back. Parang balik muna ako sa step 1. Kumbaga, hindi ko na makita yung future ko dito. Balik muna ako sa step 1 para clear yung goals ko.
That's good. That's a good advice that other physicians could also take.
Yes po.
Now, in today's healthcare landscape, how important do you think an online professional presence is for physicians and researchers like you?
So, running an online clinic is just difficult as running a physical one. Parang kailangan mong maging visible online, palagi para po, as a way of, sharing information or promoting public health para po, hindi sila magkamali ng, um, alam. Kasi
Right.
po marami na ngayong, mga kumakalat na fake news.
Right, that's so true.
Mm.
Okay, I just like to make a segue on that. Here at Tatakmo, we help professionals like you
Yes.
build credible online presence and connect with patients through digital platforms. Now, from your perspective, what kinds of support or tools do you think make the biggest difference when it comes to growing your visibility and reaching the right audience?
Para po sa'kin yung challenging na part ng online clinic is yun nga, iche-check mo lagi yung message ng patient mo
Yeah.
and posting timely and relevant information on
Correct.
social media. Pinaka-challenging sa'kin kasi, hindi naman ako, pala-post na tao.
I see. Okay.
Opo,
Now, I'll ask a couple of personal reflections
opo.
questions naman daw. What's the most rewarding part of your work so far?
Um, 'Pag po nakita ko na lose na ng weight yung mga patients ko or gumaling na yung mga patients ko na dati, hindi sila nahihirapan sila sa conditions nila, um, I feel glad na po na nakakatulong ako in my own, small ways.
That's good. I'm glad that you find happiness in what you do. That's
Opo.
very important. Now, what's the one value that guides you every day?
Integrity po.
Ah,
Kasi 'pag
nice.
'pag, um, sa usual work ko po 'pag hindi, ah, 'pag hindi ako, guided by integrity mawawala po yung sense ng, ah, ginagawa ko, eh.
Right, right.
Mm.
And of course, mawawala din yung tiwala sa inyo ng mga
Opo,
pasyente nyo, eh, no?
mm.
That's so true. That's so good. Now, aside from Serious MD, where else can people connect with you or learn more about your work?
Meron po akong Facebook page,
Uh,
Dr. Laika Erica Labsan Telemedicine, and as well as sa PPD po, The Filipino Doctor, meron po akong account dun, and sa MWell,
MWell. Okay.
po.
So that's sa Facebook, sa PPD, and then
Opo,
sa MWell, and
opo,
then Serious MD.
opo.
All right. And any projects or goals you're particularly excited about this year?
Yes po, actually po, during my last birthday, 1 week free medical online
Wow.
medical free medical online mission yung birthday ko. Kaya
So generous of you, Doc.
opo. Kaya ngayon, this coming year, excited po ako na ulitin yun.
Po ba ang birthday ninyo?
August po.
Last
August na.
August.
Opo.
That's gonna be next year na. Next month na pala. So sorry. Wow. Sige, sige.
Tapos po, na-surprise po ako na umabot hanggang Visayas and Mindanao yung nagko-consult sa akin.
Did they find out through your social media channels?
Opo, share. Alam ko po maraming nag-share ng post ko. Kaya po, nakita nila.
That's a great way to improve your branding,
Yes
your
po.
online presence. That's very good. Well, thank you very much, Doctor, for your time. Hey, do you want to talk about anything else?
May specific brand po kayong hine-help like Serious MD?
Well, actually, we help people from the healthcare and wellness industry. So doctors and as a pharmaceutical, we also help people in alternative medicine, and then those who also are in fitness, yung mga nasa fitness gyms, fitness coaches, basically people in the healthcare and wellness industry in general.
Para pong nakita ko sa LinkedIn na marine yung tinutulungan nyo.
Yeah, kasi po yung nag-organize ng event is called Fireworks, and they actually have a yearly event din po for doctors. I mean for doctors for medicine. So we partnered with them. One of the events that they're also handling is Phil Marine, which is an exhibit about the marine technology in the Philippines, pati yung shipping, and kasabay din po yun yung alternative energy, or clean sources of energy. So that's why we posted their event where we're their digital marketing partner for the kids. Yeah.
Opo. Kailan po nagsimula yung tatak mo?
Oh, we just started a couple of years ago. 2023.
Okay po. Nice naman.
Thank you po. Thank you for appreciating.
Opo.
Connect with Tatakmo and explore more stories of healthcare and wellness success online because presence matters.